Dual citizenship is a form of control that is being increasingly used by governments to create ties to their home country. And here's the breakdown as to what that means and why exactly dual citizenship is not always what you think. Of course, if you stay until the end of the video, you will understand exactly how dual citizenship is being utilized and weaponized. Hello and welcome back to the Traveling Reports. Today we're going over why dual citizenship is increasingly being used and how it is being realistically weaponized by many people in governments around the world. Recently, Germany, for instance, which had a long-standing history of not having dual citizenship, allowed dual citizenship. Places like Georgia, places like who knows what the next country is, and who knows how many people have opened up dual citizenship. However, this is both a form of control and an optionality. And so, as time goes on, I think that increasingly, yes, we will see more dual citizenship. I additionally think that we will see more citizenship by investment programs, especially targeting Russians. And of course, if you want to know what Russians are doing for optionality, I will be creating a video on optionality that Russians have here in Georgia. If you're looking forward to that video, click the subscription button down below. So, of course, with the dual citizenship being a form of control, here's what I mean. The governments that are doing dual citizenship, that are creating dual citizenship, often have the power or the oversight to be able to monitor the situation with dual citizenship. And many Germans have been denaturalized as a result of the increasing crackdown on jurisdictions they can't really control. And so, for instance, in Germany, it's extremely easy to see it's a form of control because people are getting denaturalized, people are getting arrested, even though they allow dual citizenship. And so, what is the benefit of being a citizen for the government? Well, ultimately, that you have to give up all of your personal information, and they have near full control of that information and how it is used, legally as well. So, of course, when you're looking at how these things work, you are looking at a system in which many people simply don't have the luxury of being in a lot of the world, and so the essentially travel mobility has always been poor for many countries, and I think that it will continue to be poor for those countries. But also, I think that increasingly you'll see a lot more people having dual citizenship, especially from those poorer nations. And so, if, of course, this is the case, there needs to be a way to control those people. And this is the place where dual citizenship comes in. And, of course, this isn't to say that you shouldn't get dual citizenship. You should just be intentional about what you know, what you understand, what information they have on you, and how that will impact you. And realistically, here at the Traveling Reports, we always are looking to new citizenship programs to places where you can have less oversight of legally your information, as I am privacy centric as well. I'm sure you've noticed I don't really talk about my personal life on this channel. I don't really talk about my personal views on this channel all that frequently. And so that's because I value my privacy. And ultimately, I think that the ultimate piece of privacy is not getting citizenships in countries where you are beholden to a government and citizenship that could be used and utilized as control. What we've seen in the past is, for instance, the US passport taxes worldwide income, it taxes global income. And of course, there is no other country like that yet. And I think that that's the important piece. So many people say, oh, the US is the only one who can collect that much information. They're the only ones that can tax globally. The CRS system exists. The reporting channels exist. So, for me, it doesn't bode well, right? That people are saying that and people are writing off. Because often, if you say it enough times, it happens. And so, as time goes on, as people move towards a more centralized life, I believe that it's important to take a step back and to truly understand what exactly your goals and your aspirations are, so you can understand exactly how to live a life that you find fulfilling, and additionally find a way to grow your net worth, grow your wealth without having prying eyes looking at it. Of course, that said, if you are looking for asset protection or internationalization consulting, feel free to book a call on the Calendly link. 15 minutes, absolutely free. And if you're looking to join me on this internationalization and globalization journey, feel free to subscribe. If you like this video, feel free to like it. If you really like this video, feel free to share it. This has been the Travel Report, signing off.